Good morning, students. In this class we are going to understand the median of a data. So take a look at this. Students, our chapter is data handling and our topic is median. First of all, definition. The median is the value which is strictly in the middle of the list of the observations when written in ascending or descending order. Students, in this definition it said that if you arrange the given data in ascending or descending order, it means if you make an array and find the middlemost observation, that observation is the median of the data. To understand the median of the data, we have to take an example here first. Let there are 7 boys whose weights in kg are 43, 59, 48, 50, 46, 53 and 54. And find the median of the weight. It means we have to find out the median of the weight, median weight. Here the given observations we have to write in ascending order to make an array, ascending or descending, whatever you want. So here I am writing in ascending order 43, 46, 48, 50, 53, 54 and 59. And now for the median, we have to find out the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the number of observations n equals 7, which is odd. And in case of odd, here is the formula: median equals n plus 1 by 2 th term. That is 7 plus 1 by 2th term. And student, 7 by 7 plus 1, it means 8 by 2th term. That is 4th term. Okay. This is the middlemost term. Here you can see 50 is the middlemost, and hence 50 kg is the median weight. Here you can see 3 and 3 in the middle, the 4th observations. Okay, so 50 kg is the median weight. In the second example, you can see find the median of the following data. Here 12, 15, 10, 16, 14, 20, 19 and 18. Here these are the observations or the data. First of all, we have to write this data in ascending order. So this is the ascending order. You can see 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 and 20. Now the number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is n equal to 8, which is even. And in case of even, the median equals 1 by 2 into n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. It means we have to find out the mean of the two middlemost terms. And here you can see 1 by 2 into n by 2 means 8 by 2, and 8 by 2 means 4th term. And n by 2 plus 1, it means 4 plus 1, it means 5th term. And 1 by 2 into 4th term is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 4 and 5th. 15 plus 16. 1 by 2 into 31. That is 31 by 2. So 15 plus 15.5 is the median of the given data. Actually, this is the formula forever. This formula will work everywhere, but if you understand by this way, it is another way. 3 in the first, 3 in the last, and middlemost are the two observations. The number of observations here 8, so middlemost is 2, 4th and 5th. So we have to find out the mean of the middlemost two observations and find out the median of the data. Okay. So students, that is the median of the data. You can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.